Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to join a Fiverr affiliate program. So click or create a new tab, search for Fiverr affiliate program, just like that, and click on the first link. After you scroll down a little, you'll see this: join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr, and start earning. Click on join now. After that, you'll be redirected here and just fill out all these options: your first and last name, email address, your username, password, confirm your password, your account type, and do you have a main source of traffic, country, and your language, and put here your Skype account. After that, just click next and follow all the steps and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.